In this video, I'm going to build somewhat of a fun clock that just does moon phase. There'll be no time on this. The reason I'm doing this is I actually hurt my hand pretty bad, so I haven't been able to do my machining. But I'm getting ready to get back into that. But in the time off, I got a 3D printer from Bambu Labs and thought, well, hey, could I 3D print something fun so I didn't have to use my hands for machining? And that's what I started down this road on. You can see the basic design. It's got a clock mechanism with a short pendulum that'll drive these moon phases. And here's the real clock. You can see what happens there. As the moon rises, you can see it come out from underneath the silhouette. You can see the escape wheel, the great wheel having some stars, the escape wheel having some rocket ships. Just tried to make something fun. I was having some fun drawing this thing up on CAD. And wanted to see if I could cut the proper gears, align it through the proper modulus height, and it all seemed to work really good. I found a simple program that would allow me to make these cycloidal gears and was able to cut and paste through Photoshop, drag it into Fusion 360, and extrude these things in the end design. I'm not sure what you call it. I guess it's just a thing to represent the moon phases, but kind of fun, kind of shows that these 3D printers are getting super capable on what they can do. I hope you like this. I'm getting back into doing my machining, polishing things on the grandfather clock, second one that I'm trying to make right now, so should be fun. Be glad to get back into it. Hope you like this build. You can see it's kind of fun. You can see here starting to glow as it gets dark. So a lot you can do with these 3D printers. Hope everyone gets some ideas out of this, and take care. Be back soon.